Hey folks, in this video, we'll walk you through all the steps you need to take to install the Eureka DevSecOps platform on the Microsoft Azure Marketplace. Let's get started. When you arrive on the Microsoft Azure Marketplace, you can read up about Eureka, view all the documentation, and even watch some tutorial videos. If you're ready to purchase a license, just head over to the Plans and Pricing section, select the plan you want, and proceed to fill out all your information. This is where you will be billed on a monthly or yearly basis, depending on your plan. Once you do that, it will deploy a managed application into your cloud environment. We recommend that you create a resource group specifically for Eureka so that you can segregate it. You can select the region that's closest to where you are, enter your company name and the main account holder's name. This is the person who is installing the application, so ensure that you are the admin, co-admin, or the subscription owner. If you choose owner, you'll need to go to the Azure Active Directory. Copy the object ID from there, and then return to paste it in. You'll be asked to verify the email address, so just enter the email and then confirm it. Create a name for your application. You may want to label it something that you can easily remember. If everything is correct, click Next, then click Agree, and then click Create. This process should only take a few minutes. Once the deployment has finished, it will show a managed application within the resource group that you had specified. An invitation will be sent to your email. Just open the email and accept the invitation. It'll take you to the Azure login page. Simply enter your Azure ID and password to log in. You'll see a welcome screen with a list of instructions to create a set of Azure Active Directory groups. The most important step is to add yourself as a group member, which should only take a few minutes. If this is a first-time setup, just follow the prompts. First, go to Azure Active Directory, create a new group called Eureka Admin, Eureka Manager, and Eureka Staff. Add yourself as a member to the Eureka Admin group. Add any additional users to the appropriate groups. Once you have the Eureka Admin, Manager, and Staff object IDs, copy the object IDs, return to this page, and paste them in to the corresponding text box below. When you're done, click Provision Access. We'll see you in the next video where we create our first system in the Eureka DevSecOps platform. Thanks for watching.